Today, we're going to go over the do's and don'ts of taking care of your prescription safety glasses. Taking care of your prescription safety glasses is key to ensuring their longevity, so follow this guide to make sure that you do it correctly. Don't just store your glasses anywhere. Do store them in a carrying case. Don't clean your lenses using rough materials. Do clean them with a microfiber cloth. Don't expose your glasses to extreme temperatures. Do store them in room temperature conditions. Don't use harsh chemicals to clean. Do use regular soap and hot water or glass cleaner. Don't neglect your glasses parts. Do tighten your screws regularly. Don't just wear your glasses loosely. Do use a retainer strap. Don't share your safety glasses. Do buy your friend a nice new pair. These glasses are tough, but like anything else, neglect leads to damage. Take care of your prescription safety glasses and you'll be protected for a very, very long time.